they wanted us to pay a reasonable royalty for the use of Android, and they understood that Motorola had patents that they were likely using. So we actually met, and they asked us to put your patents on the table, Motorola, and so we can understand how much we need to pay you, but we want so many dollars for every device that you sell that's Android based, and we will compensate you for the use of your patents that Microsoft makes. And so we went back and said, well, we have to figure out what products Microsoft has, what patents they would potentially be using. And since we had a long history of licensing standard essential patents, the Xbox and their operating system used Wi-Fi patents and video compression patents, H.264, which have FRAND obligations, which we talked about earlier. And FRAND obligations require, before you can sue someone, you have to offer them a license on what you deem to be FRAND terms. And so we sent them our opening offer letter for both Wi-Fi and H.264, expecting to have further conversations with Microsoft around what a rational price would be and how it would work. It was a bit challenging because historically all of our licensing had been with end product manufacturers, Apple, the companies that made the phones, the cellular phones, and we had a long history of licensing at a percentage of the sales price of those devices. So when we were under pressure because Microsoft was seeking to enjoin Motorola's use of the Android system. They had already sued us in several different places around the world. We had to respond quickly to put our patents on the table. And so we had the standard essential patents. Microsoft didn't make a lot of end user products. They had the Xbox, but beyond that it was mainly software that they sold or licensed to others. And so we knew our licensing program didn't exactly fit historically to what we had done, but we provided them the same type of opening offer letter that we had provided many in the past.